Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to delete your CoinEx account. To delete your CoinEx account, first of all, launch open your CoinEx application and then make sure that you're logged into your account. After you are inside the home page, tap on your profile icon at the top left corner. From the expanded menu, go ahead and click on the security button from the list. Under Security, scroll all the way down and see the Delete Account button under Advanced Settings and tap on it. Now, go through the information first. After applying for your account deletion, the ID information, transaction records, and all the related data will also be deleted by the system, and it cannot be retrieved. So be sure if you want to really delete your account, and if you want, simply tap on Apply for Deletion. Go through the terms and conditions and make sure to tap on all of these boxes and click on Confirm Delete. After you do that, you will be able to delete your account right away. Once the deletion is completed, your account and its associated data will be removed from the CoinEx platform. So there you have it. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.